Make a great choice today with the 2013 CTS. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, traction control system. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.